Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to start the new chapter, chapter number 3, Company Final Accounts. Before we begin with the chapter, let's have a brief introduction about the chapter. Every company, like other business entities, must prepare final accounts or financial statements periodically. They give information about financial performance and position of the company. Section 129, subsection 1 of the Companies Act 2013 lays down that the financial statements shall give a true and fair view of the statement of affairs of the company or companies. They should also comply with the accounting standard notified under Section 133 and shall be in the form as may be provided for different class or classes of companies in Schedule 3rd. Items contained in such financial statements shall be in accordance with the accounting standards. Now let us discuss meaning of financial statements. Financial statements are the end product of an accounting process which begins with the identification of accounting information and recording thereof in the books of primary entry. They are prepared following the accounting concepts and principles. Financial statements are historical in nature and since they report the transactions of the past period. Financial statements are the summarized statements of accounting data produced at the end of an accounting process by an enterprise through which it communicates the accounting information to the internal and external users. Now let us see elements of financial statement. As per Section 2, subsection 40 of the Companies Act 2013, financial statement in relation to company includes statement of financial position or balance sheet, then statement of financial performance or income statement, then statement of change in equity, then statement of cash flow, and notes related to the account. Now let us discuss nature of financial statements. The information and data included in the financial statements are the result of a combination of first, recorded facts. The term recorded facts means recording of transactions based on evidences in the books of accounts. For example, figures relating to cash in hand, cash at bank, debtors, sales, purchases, etc. are recorded facts. Then second, accounting conventions. Accounting conventions are followed while preparing financial statements. For example, on account of convention of conservatism, provision is made for expected losses but expected profits are ignored. This means that real financial position of the business may be better than what has been shown by the financial statements. The use of accounting conventions makes financial statements reliable, understandable, and comparable. Then third is accounting concepts and assumptions. Financial statements are prepared by following the accounting concepts. For example, under the going concern concept, it is assumed that the business shall continue for a foreseeable future, that is, indefinitely. Fixed assets are shown in the balance sheet at their historical value rather than their market value. The use of accounting concepts makes the financial statements reliable, understandable, and comparable. Then fourth is personal judgments. Personal judgments also have an important bearing on financial statements. For example, the choice of selecting a method of depreciation lies with the management. Similarly, selection of the inventory valuation method also depends on the personal judgment of the management. Now let us discuss objectives of preparing financial statements. The first is, it provides reliable financial information about economic resources, that is assets, and obligations, that is liabilities. Then next point, to provide reliable information about the changes in resources and obligations arising out of business activities of the business firm. Then fourth point, to disclose the various accounting policies followed in preparing the financial statement to its various user groups. Then next, to disclose to the extent possible other related information to financial statement that is relevant to the needs of the users. So that's all for today. Thank you.